Your KCPE and KCSE certificates are more than just pieces of paper. They are proof of your hard work and achievement. These certificates open doors to opportunities. They are essential for further education, job applications, and even travel. Losing these vital documents can be incredibly stressful. Now, imagine this. You are about to join university, but you can't find your KCSE certificate. Or you're applying for your dream job, and they need your KCPE results. This situation can feel overwhelming, but don't panic. There is a solution. The Kenya National Examinations Council, or KNEC, offers a straightforward process to replace lost certificates. Losing your KCPE or KCSE certificate can have immediate and long-term consequences. Without these documents, you may face delays in your education. You might miss out on job opportunities. Some institutions and organizations may even question the legitimacy of your qualifications. The absence of these vital documents can create a significant setback. It can impact your confidence and limit your options. However, it's crucial to remember that losing a certificate is not the end of the road. By understanding the replacement process and acting swiftly, you can overcome this challenge and continue pursuing your goals. The first step is to report the loss to the police. Obtain a police abstract that confirms you reported the loss. This document is essential for initiating the replacement process with KNEC. Once you have the police abstract, you can proceed to the next step. Visit the KNEC website or their offices in person. You will need to fill out an application form for a replacement certificate. The form is available online and at KNEC offices. Ensure you provide accurate information to avoid delays in processing your request. Section 4. Navigating the application. Required documents and fees. Along with the application form and police abstract, you'll need to gather additional documents. These include a copy of your national ID card or birth certificate. You will also need copies of your result slips for the respective exams. If you were issued a replacement certificate before, provide a copy of that as well. KNEC charges a fee for replacing lost certificates. The fee varies depending on the level of examination and the type of certificate. You can pay the fee at designated banks or via mobile money platforms. Ensure you obtain a receipt as proof of payment. This receipt is crucial for tracking your application and collecting your replacement certificate. Section 5. Patience pays off. The waiting period and collection. Once you've submitted your application with all the necessary documents and paid the fee, patience is key. The processing time for a replacement certificate can vary. It typically takes several weeks to a few months. After the processing period, you can collect your replacement certificate from the KNEC offices. You will need to present your original national ID card or birth certificate for verification. You will also need the payment receipt you received when you submitted your application. Section 6. Safeguarding your future. Tips for secure certificate storage. Losing important documents like your KCPE and KCSE certificates can be avoided with proper organization and storage. Create a dedicated folder or file for all your essential documents. Keep this folder in a safe and secure place. Consider making certified copies of your certificates. Store the originals in a secure location and use the copies for general purposes. This way, you reduce the risk of losing or damaging the original documents. Additionally, you can scan your certificates and store them digitally. This provides an extra layer of security and allows you to access them easily whenever needed.